How to hide Instagram stories from specific users. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can tap on the option of your story at the top of the left corner of the screen. And as you tap on the your story option, you can simply tap on story and click a random picture over here. I'm going to click a random picture. And as I click a random picture over here, you can put it on your story over here, which will be public. But if you want to hide it from specific person, you can simply tap on close friends and you can add people under close friends. Now to add people in close friends, you can simply go to your profile and simply select hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and you'll be able to see the close friends option. So now you can just select the people that you want to add in the close friend circle and then tap on done. And it will not be shown to others. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.